Forget everything you know about luxury RVs, because what you're looking at isn't just another motorhome. It's a machine that looks like it drove straight out of a billionaire's dream garage. At first glance, it feels more like an armored command vehicle than a luxury home, but hidden behind that aggressive GMC-inspired front end is something almost impossible to imagine. A rolling mansion built for people who refuse to choose between adventure and luxury. The real question isn't how big it is, it's what life would actually feel like behind the wheel. Let's take a closer look. Some vehicles blend into traffic. This one dominates it. With its towering stance, 8 massive off-road wheels, aggressive bodywork, and futuristic lighting, this Expedition RV doesn't simply arrive. It makes an entrance. Whether it's parked outside a luxury resort or standing alone in the middle of the desert, it demands attention from every angle. It looks like a vehicle designed for the end of the world. Yet it's finished with the elegance of a 5-star luxury hotel, and that's exactly what makes it so fascinating. Step inside, and everything changes. The rugged exterior disappears, replaced by an environment designed for comfort, relaxation, and effortless luxury. Imagine soft leather seating, handcrafted materials, panoramic windows, and warm ambient lighting surrounding you after a full day of exploring remote landscapes. Instead of feeling like you're camping, it feels like you've brought your dream home with you. Picture waking up beside a crystal-clear mountain lake, opening the curtains, and watching the sunrise without ever leaving your bed. That's the experience vehicles like this are built to create. Most luxury vehicles are limited by roads. This one is designed to leave them behind. Its massive 8-wheel layout isn't just about appearance. It represents confidence. Confidence to travel farther. Confidence to explore places where ordinary motorhomes simply can't go. Imagine driving through snow-covered mountain passes, crossing endless desert landscapes, or parking beside an untouched beach where there isn't another person for miles. That's a different kind of luxury. Not just owning something expensive, but owning the freedom to go almost anywhere. The best technology doesn't constantly remind you it's there. It quietly makes every journey easier. A fully digital cockpit places essential information exactly where the driver needs it. Large camera systems improve visibility around this enormous vehicle. Smart lighting adapts to changing conditions. Climate systems keep every corner of the cabin comfortable. And intelligent power management helps support extended adventures far away from crowded campgrounds. Instead of distracting you, technology simply lets you enjoy the journey. Driving something this large might sound intimidating, but vehicles in this class are engineered to feel surprisingly composed. The elevated driving position provides an incredible view of the road ahead. Massive all-terrain tires are built to handle rough surfaces with confidence. Heavy-duty suspension smooths out challenging terrain, and the commanding presence gives you the feeling that almost nothing can stand in your way. It's not about driving aggressively, it's about feeling prepared for whatever comes next. Here's the interesting part. Vehicles like this aren't built for everyone. They're built for people who see travel differently. Entrepreneurs who work from anywhere, families chasing unforgettable adventures, explorers who value experiences more than destinations, collectors searching for something few people on Earth will ever own. For them, luxury isn't measured by the number of hotel stars. It's measured by complete freedom. Let's be honest, very few people actually need a vehicle like this, but millions dream about owning one. Because it represents something bigger than transportation. It represents independence, adventure, success, the ability to wake up wherever the horizon looks most beautiful, and in a world where almost everything feels connected and crowded. That kind of freedom has become one of the greatest luxuries money can buy. Whether this incredible GMC-inspired 8x8 Expedition vehicle remains a concept or inspires the next generation of ultra-luxury motorhomes, one thing is certain. It completely changes the way we imagine life on the road. It's bold, it's futuristic, it's unapologetically extravagant, and it proves that the future of luxury travel isn't just about reaching incredible destinations. It's about taking your entire lifestyle with you. So, here's the question. If someone handed you the keys to this rolling mansion tomorrow, where would your very first adventure begin? If you enjoyed this journey into the future of luxury vehicles, make sure to subscribe to RPM Royals.